Hello, dear students. Welcome. In today's class, we are going to discuss one fine article. Especially, dear students, we are discussing uh, the books New Directions, that is reading, writing, and critical thinking. Uh, we have already completed unit first, that is intercultural communication, and unit second about education. Now we are in unit third, that is chapter third, that is mass media and technology. Under this chapter, we are in third lesson. The lesson is propaganda techniques in today's advertising. This is an article. This article talks about the role of advertising in the present day world. Although there is a saying, "Fear face needs no paint," but the role of advertising is really great. The more the products has been advertised, the more it has got area, it has got marketing area. Although the more the political slogan has been advertised, then it will be very popular. So here, that is a while having that is while just advertising the product or political issues, various types of propaganda techniques have been used. In this lesson, we are going to discuss the different types of propaganda techniques that have been used in today's advertising. So in this article, one writer, Anne McClintock, one female writer, she has put forward various propaganda techniques that has been used in today's advertising. So being based on it, we are going to discuss about this. This is an article written by Anne McClintock, one female freelance writer. McClintock focuses on the propaganda techniques that advertisers and political candidates use in an effort to sway people's opinion, especially to sway people's opinion ideas. Different types of advertisement have been done very differently. So there are different types of techniques or tactics have been used for the advertising we see in the present day world. So we also know that the more the advertising is done, then the more of probability, selling or buying goods from the market, flourishing business. On the other side, political issues as well. The popularity also gained through advertising. In this article, the writer stresses the need for consumers and voters to be aware of these techniques. That means the writer argued that Americans are being seduced and brainwashed, often willingly, by advertisers and politicians who use various propaganda techniques to sell their products and point of view. They have used different types of technique in very exaggerating their product. We see there. So in today's this article focuses on propaganda techniques, various types of propaganda, exaggerating their product, exaggerating their ideas, exaggerating their political issues while they do advertising there. We see there all of the propaganda techniques appeal to people's emotions, not their minds, and often capitalize on prejudice and biases by showing one their product is very superior and showing another discarding other product there. So just try to getting a good popularity and try to getting a good selling in the market. The people have done this as advertising purpose there. This emotional appeal may be very effective in showing people's opinion. In the article, the writer brings up various propaganda techniques that have been widely used since the Industrial Revolution. She describes seven primary tools used to manipulate the masses. The writer has described some techniques, propaganda techniques in today's advertising. Now let's go to discuss about the techniques that have been used in today's advertising. That is, one is name calling, next one glittering journalities, the next one transfer, number four, testimonials. Number five, false. Number six, card stacking, and number seven, bandwagon. Okay, these are the propaganda techniques that have been used in today's advertising. Uh, Now let's go and discuss about this. Here is a name calling. The first technique, propaganda techniques used in today's advertising, name calling. Name calling is one of the very interesting propaganda technique in which negatively charged names are hurled against the opposing side or competitor. It is used for to make people feel like the competitor's product is lesser or inferior. So in this way, that is the advertising is done there in name calling. That is one interesting propaganda technique. And next propaganda technique is glittering journalities. Here, using glittering journalities is the opposite of name calling. In this case, advertisers surround their products with attractive and pretty silvery words and phrases. They use very beautifully catchy words so that the people attract attention there. They use vague terms that are difficult to define and that may have different meanings to different people. So they use very vague and very typical words to describe their product and to describe their ideas in this technique. That is also one propaganda technique that has been used in today's advertising. And the next one is transfer year. So in transfer techniques, advertisers try to improve the image of a product by associating it with a symbol most people respect, like the American flag of Uncle Sam. Such kind of things they have used here. The advertisers hope that the prestige attached to the symbol will carry over the product. Many companies are use transfer device to identify their product. They use one thing to show another thing in transfer product. So in transferring technique. So transferring technique is one of the very popular propaganda technique in today's advertising we see there. And next one is testimonials. Testimonial is one of the advertisers must love and must use propaganda techniques similar to the transfer device. The testimonials capitalize on the admiration people have for celebrity to make the product shine more brightly. Even though the celebrity is not an expert on the product being sold, this is surprisingly effective despite uh, despite not actually providing the usefulness of the product. So here, this shows the capitalizing on the admiration of the people for different product ideas there. So that is also one very famous propaganda techniques that has been used in today's advertising. And we have next number 5 advertising technique, that is plain fox. Plain fox approach says in effective, buy me or vote for me, I am just like you. Generally people say this. Political advertisements make almost as much use of plain fox appeal as they do of transfer device. So here in these types of techniques, while the product is just advertising their ideas, their concept to the people, then they advertise their product in the market. So there are various types of techniques have been used in today's advertising. We are discussing about this. We discussed from that is name calling also, and glittering journalities also transfer as well. And next testimonials, plain box. We have discussed various propaganda techniques used in today's advertising here. We use in today's advertising. Uh, we use about this. That is the advertising discuss about this. Then we have next advertising technique, that is card stacking. Card stacking is a technique that plays on the distortion of fact by half truth sayings and words that have erroneous meaning. An example, she gives the shampoo that removes dandruff. According to McClintock, card stacking is used by advertiser to grab the customer's attention towards a product at the expense of the other. A false target to divert attention from the issue at hand. So that is also one interesting technique, propaganda techniques that has been used in today's advertising. So now advertising is one of the most powerful medium to sell their product and to make the people popularity. So card stacking is also one of the important propaganda technique we see in today's advertising. Now next, the last one, that is bandwagon. Bandwagon, that is shows that is people are doing this, why don't we do this? Okay, people generally have this concept. So in this technique, the writer talks about bandwagon, which is another technique of propaganda that affect the people psychologically and creates pressure on people who do not want to be different. She is just saying everyone is doing it, why don't you? To strengthen our definition here, as an example, she gives the Pepsi advertisement that lures customers. If you do not drink Pepsi, then you are left out of the Pepsi generation. So such kind of slogan is used there in bandwagon. So in this way, here the writer has discussed about 7 propaganda techniques that has been used in today's advertising. This age is the age of advertising as well. So while doing advertisement, people use various approaches and tactics to show their product by using different advertising, which is propaganda techniques that has been used in today's advertising. So we go some line summary here, that is propaganda technique into the advertising. That is one interesting article by McClintock. Especially in this article, the writer brings up various propaganda techniques that have been widely used since Industrial Revolution. We discuss about this. Then the writer has discussed 7 propaganda techniques in this article. The first one is name calling there. Then next one is glittering journalities. The next one is transfer there. Then next one we discuss about testimonials, also an interesting propaganda techniques used in today's advertising. Then next one is Plan Fox. Then card stacking and bandwagon. These are the permanent propaganda techniques that has been used in today's advertising that we discuss. Especially these techniques are put forward by Anne McClintock. We discuss about this. So in this way, this article shows the response advertisement is an effective tool to get your product noticed. But advertisement are very annoying and intrusive. We see there. In today's world, we are that is a barriers with so many ads that is hard to even notice them anyone by saturating every moment of a person's working life with advertisement to buy garbage. You have begun to make people immune. The ads lose their effectiveness and that is advertisement lose their effectiveness and people just ignore them. So what do advertisers do instead of making a truly better product? The advertiser make more annoying ads. For example, click through screen or pops up. This is addition to the giant billboards and flashing sign. Enough is enough. They have used various types of propaganda techniques in today's advertising. We see there. So respect your customer and they will return in kind. Abuse their eyes and ears, some will figure out a scam. We see various techniques have been used in for the sake of selling their product, for the sake of becoming popularity. Various propagandas we can see in today's advertising. That is the idea. Then we have one question here for our examination point of view. What is the main point McClintock makes in the articles? What are the propaganda techniques used in today's advertising? Explain. That is the question has been asked many times in our examination. You can go through the summary and the answers are given there. So here in this lesson we discuss various propaganda techniques and McClintock has been used. And according to Anne McClintock focuses on various propaganda techniques have been used in today's advertising. We discuss in our present class. Student, I hope you got the concept. If you have any confusion about this, don't forget to ask me and you can comment forward there. Finally like and subscribe this versatile learning network. Hope to see you in our next class. Take care. Stay at your house now. Goodbye. Take care.